What if you could talk to your database? Not dashboards, not reports. Welcome to DatabaseGPT, powered by Umoja Compute, a local agentic AI system that allows businesses to query real production databases using natural language. In this demo, you'll see how raw point-of-sale data becomes real-time insight delivered instantly through Telegram. No more manual reports, no waiting for analysts.
To make this possible, we first need a way to securely expose our automation workflow to the internet. For this, we use ngrok. After signing in to ngrok, we install the desktop client and take note of our free developer domain, which we'll use to forward our automation endpoints. Next, we install Docker Desktop. Docker allows us to containerize our entire environment, ensuring that DatabaseGPT runs the same way on any machine. A Docker file defines the environment our application runs in, like a recipe. Docker Compose, on the other hand, lets us orchestrate multiple services together, such as automation, databases, and storage. Here's our project directory. We define our environment using a Docker file and a Docker Compose configuration. We're using the official N8N image as our automation engine and installing SQLite to handle lightweight database querying. Port 5678 exposes N8N, while a mounted volume allows us to pass database files and schema metadata directly into the container. Finally, we configure our ngrok public URL so our system can communicate with Telegram securely. With everything configured, we build the project and launch the containers. Once running, N8N becomes available locally on port 5678, where we can access and manage our DatabaseGPT workflow. Inside N8N, we load our DatabaseGPT workflow, which is triggered by a Telegram webhook. We then activate our ngrok tunnel, forwarding traffic from the public internet directly into our local automation environment. Now let's look at the real data. Our point-of-sale system runs on Apache Derby, and we explore it using dbeaver. Here you can see the tables and entity relationships that define our business logic: products, customers, sales, and transactions. Next, we generate fresh data by performing real transactions using Astra POS. We process sales for 2 different customers using different payment methods. This data is written directly into the database we'll be querying with AI. With data in place, we now launch Umoja Compute, our AI inference layer. Umoja Compute provides an OpenAI-compatible API, allowing us to run large language models locally or on distributed infrastructure. Once the node is live, we retrieve the API endpoint and connect it directly to our DatabaseGPT workflow. Now comes the best part: talking to the database. Using Telegram, we ask DatabaseGPT for total sales for the year. The system generates the SQL, runs it against the database, and returns the result instantly. We then ask whether any sales occurred today, and the system correctly identifies the 2 transactions we just made. finally, we ask the system to list the customers served today. DatabaseGPT correctly retrieves both customers, Alice and Alex, demonstrating reliable natural language to SQL over real production data. This is the power of Umoja Compute, local, fast, agentic AI that lets businesses literally speak to their data.
Every business already has data. The problem has never been storage. It's getting answers when they matter. What if a hospital could ask, which regions are showing emerging cancer trends? What if a supermarket could ask, which products are running low right now? Or a corporate office, which teams are underperforming and why? DatabaseGPT, powered by Umoja Compute, turns those questions into instant answers from your existing databases.